Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video to help those of you that are new to Blogchat especially, and just walk you through exactly what I do when I'm following Blogchat. Now, the main site I use to follow Blogchat is this one right here. It's called tweetchat.com/room/blogchat. Now, there's two things I really like about this particular site is that, one, when you've got the new tweets that are coming in, as you know, it's really quiet right now because this is like, 8 hours before Blogchat. But when Blogchat is rolling, you're going to have constantly a new stream coming in. And for example, if I see Karen's tweet right here and I'm ready to respond to it, by the time I click this, a lot of times I'll have 30 new tweets that'll come in. So suddenly that one tweet gets thrown down an entire screen. Now I've got to scroll back and try to find it, and by the time I find it, another screen's been dumped on top of it, and I'm completely lost. So one thing you can do is, to help with that, you can click right here, refresh speed, and then you can change how frequently the updates come in. And I think the default is 10 seconds, but you can change it to a longer period of time, up to, it looks like, 60 seconds. So that can help you a little bit when it comes to the refresh speed. Now, something else you can do is, and this is really helpful if we've got a co-host for that week, but what you can do is, if there's someone here that you want to highlight their tweets, what you do is click right here, mouse over, and you see this little head icon. Click on it, and then click Feature. Now, what's going to happen is, every time after you've clicked that, from now on, whenever one of my tweets come through, it's going to have this colored band around it. So it's going to be much easier to see it, and that really helps it stick out. So you can do that for, if there's certain people in Blogchat you like to keep up with, this is a great way to keep up with them. So if you do those things together, first click on the refresh speed, slow that down a little bit, so that'll slow down the update coming in, and then also find the users that you want to keep up with. Click right there for the user feature, and then click on Feature. That'll put a colored band around them, and that'll make it easier to see them. Now, that's with TweetChat. Another way I keep up with Blogchat is with TweetDeck. And what I do with TweetDeck is, as you can see here, and if you use TweetDeck, do this as well, I've created a search column just for Blogchat. So I've got only the Blogchat tweets coming in. Now, again, you're going to have the same problem that you did with TweetChat, in that as you get updates, you're going to probably get 50 or 60 at a time, so it's going to scroll down several screens because each screen only shows like 5 tweets. So you're still going to have that problem, but again, you can create lists to feature certain Blogchat users that you're already interacting with. You can create a separate column just for, if we've got a co-host, just for their tweets and just for responses to them. So there's some things you can do to kind of keep up with and make it a little bit easier. Now let's go back to this because I want to show you something else that's really cool. First, a lot of you, as you know, after we've been doing Blogchat for about an hour, a lot of people need to leave. So what I'll do after an hour is I'll share a transcript. And what I do is I'll go to whatthehashtag.com/blogchat. And you see here, it's doing the same thing. It's giving you all the tweets. But another option here is to view transcript. Now, if you click right there, then what you can do is you can type in the date, and it will give you the transcript for that Blogchat. Now, one thing about the dating is that for some reason they skip ahead a day. So, for example, today's 12/19/2010, and in order to get the tweets from today, you'd need to put in 12/20. I'm not really sure why it does that, but it does. Now, for those of you that are new, that aren't new, that have been doing Blogchat around, here's a really good ninja tip for you. Because what you can do is you can put in older dates. Like, for example, here's one where I've already put in 12/6, which would have been the transcript for Becky McRae when she co-hosted us. So here you can see there you've got all the tweets from her Blogchat. There you see transcript from December the 6th to December the 6th. So what you can then do, this gives you the ability to do two things. One, you can go back all the way to January. I've got some transcripts I've found here. You can go all the way back to January of this year. So that's almost an entire year's worth of transcripts. Again, what you'll just need to do is you'll just need to back up every 7 days. So, for example, the next one I believe would probably be on the 30th of November 29th, 30th, something like that. You can play with it and see, but that's one thing. But now let's say after you've got this transcript, and this is Becky McRae's from 2 weeks ago, what you can do then is take the URL, right-click, copy that URL, and then go to this website, which is www.createpdf.in. Then go here, right-click, paste that URL, then click Create PDF. What that's going to do is that's going to create you a PDF from that transcript. Pretty cool, huh? And not only that, you can do one for each one as it's happening, but like I said, you can go back to what the hashtag and go back all the way to January. So there you see you've got the ability to get like 50 transcripts from 50 different blog chats right there, and then you can go to this site, save them as a PDF, and then you've got them stored on your computer. That's exactly what I've done. Like I said, I've got I tried it one day and I went all the way back to like the third week in January, and it finally quit pulling them. So that's one thing. You may want to go ahead and try to get these, because I'm not sure how long the site will have them, but this is a great trip. And again, this site is www.createpdf.in. So anyway, those are some tips, and hopefully that will help all of you out, even if you're new to Blogchat or if you've been using it a while. And if you are new to Blogchat, please do check us out. We're every Sunday night, 8 p.m. Central. Just follow the hashtag Blogchat. Thanks, guys.